Welcome to Meditation World. This is your sacred space to release, cleanse, and renew your energy. Right now, there is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to become. You are allowed to rest. Find a comfortable position. Let your body settle. Allow your hands to rest gently. And when you feel ready, softly close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and gently release it. Again, inhale fresh energy. Exhale everything heavy. You've been carrying emotions, thoughts, and experiences. Some you remember, some you don't. For this moment, you are safe to let them go. Let your forehead soften. Let your eyes rest. Unclench your jaw. Allow your shoulders to drop. With every breath, your body feels heavier, more supported, more present. Notice your breathing. Slow, gentle, natural. In and out. Imagine a soft, radiant light slowly forming above your head. This light is pure, cleansing energy. It carries peace. It carries clarity. It carries healing. With every inhale, this light grows brighter. With every exhale, it begins to pour gently over your body. Feel it touch the top of your head, washing away mental tension. It flows down across your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks. Your thoughts become quieter. The light moves into your throat, your shoulders, your arms. Any heaviness begins to dissolve. Feel it flow into your chest. Your heart softens. Old emotions begin to release. You don't need to hold them anymore. Let the cleansing light move into your stomach, your lower back, your hips. Any stored stress gently melts away. Feel it travel down your legs, through your knees, into your calves, your ankles, your feet. Your entire body is being cleansed. Imagine all old energy leaving through your feet, flowing into the earth below. The earth receives everything and transforms it into calm. You are becoming lighter. You are becoming clearer. Take a slow breath in and out. Now imagine this cleansing light filling every cell in your body, each cell glowing softly. Your energy field begins to clear. Heavy vibrations dissolve. Low energy releases. You are being restored. If thoughts appear, that's okay. Gently return to the light. Return to your breath. Healing happens when you allow. Imagine any emotional weight lifting away from your heart. Any mental noise fading into silence. You don't need to revisit the past. You don't need to worry about the future. Right now, you are safe in the present. feel the light expanding beyond your body, creating a gentle protective field around you. Nothing negative can enter this space. You are held in peace. You are wrapped in calm. Your nervous system begins to relax. Your muscles soften. Your heartbeat becomes steady. You are releasing what no longer serves you. Allow gratitude to rise gently in your chest, not for anything specific, just for this moment of stillness, just for being here. Your body remembers how to heal. Your energy remembers balance. Your soul remembers peace. Take a few quiet breaths, in and out. Feel your body sinking deeper into relaxation, your mind drifting, your awareness softening. You don't need to stay alert. You can surrender to the music. You can surrender to the silence. You are being cleansed on every level: physical, emotional, energetic, spiritual. Stay here. Let the sound wash through you. Let the light continue its gentle work. There is nothing you need to force. Everything is unfolding naturally. If emotions arise, allow them. They are leaving. If memories appear, let them pass. They are clearing. You are safe. You are supported. You are renewed. Your energy feels lighter now. Your body feels calmer. Your heart feels softer. Imagine taking one final deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, clean energy, and slowly release. Feel the space inside you. Feel the clarity. Feel the peace. When you're ready, gently bring awareness back to your body. Move your fingers and toes. Feel the room around you. And softly open your eyes. Carry this lightness with you. Carry this peace. Carry this clarity. You are always welcome here at Meditation World.